Welcome to Koinamed India Private Limited. This is Himanshi Sethi, going to represent you our hydraulic operation table, that is 1203. You can have a lift to this table. This table has 5-section top, that is head section, back section, kidney bridge, pelvic section with the peneal cut and the leg section. The standard accessories you will get, that is shoulder support, side support, pair of armrest, anesthesia screen and a pair of lithotomy crutches. This is central pillar operation table for the general surgeries. As this is the hydraulic operation table, so you have to do the up and down with the help of pedal. This kind of pedal will be provided to you. So what you need to do is, when you have to make the table upwards, you have to press it a little bit. Just like this. You can see the table is going upwards. And when you have to make the table to the downward motion, what you need to do is, you have to put the pressure on the pedal and make it touch to the floor. Just like this. You can see the table is coming to downwards. The minimum and the maximum height of the table is 750 mm to 1000 mm. This table has a radio translucent top. The mattress is made up of high quality rest. You can have a close look to that. Now, as you saw the up and down in the table, now I will let you know the rest of the features you can operate in this table with the help of handle. This kind of handle will be provided to you to operating the other position in the table. What you need to do is, we have provided this kind of knobs in the table to fix the handle in this knob and rotate this. And you can see the elevation in the kidney bridge. How easily you can operate this handle. Now I will let you know other position with the help of same handle. In this table, you will get the manual floor locking. You can have a look here. By rotating this knob, you can lock the table. If you put the pressure on the table, now it will not move. If you see one thing more on the base of the table, we have provided this blue seal over here. When you open this seal, you have to put the oil in it. As the hydraulic table will work on the oil, so you put the oil here and put the seal over here, just like this. This is all